Stop trying to learn English the slow way. If you can't form sentences fast, you will never speak confidently. Vocabulary doesn't save you. Grammar rules don't save you. Sentence formation does. Right now, your problem is simple. You think too much before speaking. So let's fix that. Every sentence in English follows a simple structure. Subject plus verb plus object. That's it. No overthinking. Ali eats mango. She writes homework. We watch television. This is how real communication starts, not with complicated words, with clear structure. Now, here's where most people mess up. They learn sentences, but they don't learn how to change them. You need control. Take one sentence. He works hard. Now, control it. Positive, he works hard. Negative, he does not work hard. Question, does he work hard? Same idea, 3 forms. This is how you unlock speaking. If you can't convert one sentence into these 3 forms instantly, your foundation is weak. Fix that first. Now, let's push this further. Most learners stay stuck in examples. That's useless. You need repetition from your real life. Your day is your best practice tool. Start simple. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast at 8. I go to school at 9. Keep going. I talk to my friends. I study in class. I come back home. I use my phone. I complete my homework. I watch videos. I sleep at night. This is not basic. This is training your brain to think in English. Do you see the pattern? You're not memorizing, you're building automatic response. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. If you don't practice like this daily, you will stay stuck. Watching videos won't fix your English. Passive learning is a waste if you don't produce sentences yourself. You need output, daily. And don't make the mistake of trying to sound advanced. Speak clearly first. Speed and confidence come later. Now, level it up. Take one sentence and expand it. I eat breakfast at 8. Turn it into, I eat breakfast at 8 with my family before going to school. Same structure, more detail. That's how fluency grows. Then combine ideas. I go to school at 9 and I study English in class. Now you're not just forming sentences, you're building flow. This is exactly how fluent speakers think, not word by word, sentence by sentence. So here's your task, and don't ignore it. Today, write 10 sentences about your day. Then convert each into negative. Then turn each into a question. That's 30 sentences in one session. Do this for 7 days, and your speaking will change. Not magically, logically. If you're serious about improving, prove it with action, not excuses. And if you want to go to the next level, start speaking these sentences out loud. Your mouth needs training just like your brain. No shortcuts, no fake motivation. Build sentences, control them, repeat daily. That's how confidence is created.